welcome back to Take Brutal FS, and in today's video I will be taking us through a very quick um a very quick one. Is a very quick one, all right? And we'll be using this MACD, ADS, and moving average 48. All right, for we can use it for scalping, and we can use it to also catch spikes. All right, so let me explain the scalping for crash 1000 or crash market. All right, once the candles, you see these ash candles trending above the red, the black line shows you it's in an uptrend. So if you check here, this is just a little drawdown right here. You see it. Once this black crosses over this black here, let me show you this black right here. Once it crosses over, it's a clear confirmation that it has entered into an uptrend. Are we together? It has entered in an uptrend. So if you enter the market here, once it crosses this blue line right here, if you enter the market, you make your sales till this point. Once the black is leaving the ash lines, you exit. Are we together? That's how you trade it. But first of all, you determine the trend of the market. This is an uptrend already, so you see it here. So that's how to use it to trade ticks. Then for spikes, let's use this one. For spikes, we're going to use this one here. So we come over here. Remember here, this ADS shows us consolidation, and we don't want to trade the consolidation. Look at this point. From this point, it was on this line. All right, once the ADS is straight out of the 25 level, which is this 25 level, if you check here, you see is at around 50 level. So so if you just move out of this level, you can see a buy here. You can enter a buy. Once this candle starts, you can enter a buy around here. You see this one is moving out, you take a buy. You see it's all the way up here. This is 1 hour time frame. Then I will explain it in this thing. Are we together? So that's how you trade it. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. All right, let me rotate my screen so you can see it properly. All right, okay, so this is what we have here. All right, so now for the selling opportunity, let me use this one right here. So watch, we want to sell, right? We want to sell. Let's use this one. We want to sell. Okay, sorry, that's a mistake. We want to sell. So you come over here. You see, once this candle crosses here, this is where we can enter our sell. We don't just enter the sell once we see these ones coming. Once this black line is on this blue, this light blue here, you see, we enter here. You see what we've taken. And if you calculate it from here, this is what we've taken, about 48 pips, close to 50 pips. That's what we take from the market. That's how we trade it. All right, the same thing happens in your boom. All right, let's check boom. Probably let's use boom 1000. All right, the strategy is best for all these big markets. All right, so remember, in boom we are buying in boom. All right, you see the candles are trending above our moving average. All right, the candles are trading above our moving averages. Look at it. You see a very good confluence here, showing you a strong uptrend. All right, so if we want to buy, once it crosses over here, you see, once it crosses, this ADS is moving out from this blue zone, we take the buy. This ADS is not, we don't follow it as a direction, we follow it just to know when the market is consolidating or when the market is on a moving trend. You see, it is moving out from there, but right here we're taking a buy here. Look at it. We are taking a buy here. We're taking a buy here. You see, bought. Then once it comes back to this line here, we exit. You see it. So from here now, we would have gotten from here to this point. This is about 165 pips. 165 pips. First of all, confirm it from your higher time frame. Then you go down to your lower time frame, your 5-minute time. I don't advise to use it for 1 minute because it messes up. Like it works actually, but 1 minute is not always a good point to trade this kind of market. All right, for a buy here, watch this. For a buy, look at where we enter the buy. Don't exit the trade until you see this ADS touching this 25. Don't exit the trade. Hold it. You see what we've gotten all the way up here. From here, all the way up here. You see we have about 30 to 40 pips. The same thing happens when you go for selling, for a selling opportunity. All right, for a selling opportunity. So that's the same thing. Let's find a selling opportunity. All right, this is a selling opportunity here. Okay, you see it right here. This crossed, you see it. It gave us a small spike taking us back to this point, but it's not really a big deal. But look at it, sold all the way from here to here. So that's how to trade it. Okay, so for the setup, I have moving average 48. All right, look at it, moving average 48. Then the ADS, average directional moving index. All right, the period is 14. The style is 3 pixel. We don't want the plus D1 and minus D1, so you make it the color of your screen. I could have made it white would have been better. So the color of your screen, then the level is 25. That's the level you add, 25. All right, so the last one is the MACD. Okay, the MACD, this is the setup. This is a setup of the MACD. Remember, apply to high. The style, the main is -1. You make it this this thing minus the main is 1 pixel, color of your screen, and the signal, that's what we are only using. We are only using the signal. All right, you click on done, you come out, you see it. So this is what you're supposed to have. It's how you're supposed to okay, sorry, the MACD is ash so that you can see the line. Sorry, let's leave it at this one. All right, okay, so this is it. So this is, you can change it to color of your type for the MACD. So just back test and give us a feedback. Thank you so much.